Question of the day 36. Let's break the answer for this question. So back out of strategies from the below. Let's choose. Let's try to find the answer. Adjust is wrong. Modify is wrong. And drop is wrong. So gain is correct answer. Remove wrong answer. Attach wrong answer. Fill. Fill is the correct answer. Actually, we're going to have three strategies: gain, fill, and redistribute. So for this question, answer is D and G is correct. Okay. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Currently, I am holding 750 plus videos, and this is my YouTube channel. And when it comes to my Udemy forum, all these are the different courses. I'm just providing these links below this video. If you really like this video, please like it. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. If you want something, please comment. I'll do the video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.